I will demonstrate how to buy shares of American Realty Investors Inc. by confirming the search phrase, "How to buy shares of American Realty Investors Inc." American Realty Investors Inc. operates in real estate, trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ARL, and this walkthrough is educational, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy ARL, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search and enter the ticker ARL to locate American Realty Investors Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing so you open the correct stock page. On the asset page, review the company profile and the price chart to confirm this is the right stock. Make sure the listing shows NASDAQ and ticker ARL before you proceed. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After confirmation, your ARL position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.